this actually piqued my interest. This is from Revlon. It's the PhotoReady Lift and Fill Skin Tint. So this definitely piqued my interest. I'm seeing definitely some interesting reviews on it. I don't know if this is like a take on like Charlotte Tilbury, the Hollywood glam, whatever. I've seen people put this on, so we're gonna try it on. We're gonna see what it's about. Apparently it's a lot of skincare and it's like a radiant tint. I don't know if this is like in place of a tint or a foundation. This to me, I mean, it looks really pretty, but it looks like Hollywood filter kind of situation. So this is, I got shade 110. These do look like they run a little bit darker, but this one's kind of like kind of neutral. I don't know, we'll see. So that's the color. It has sort of like a gel consistency. It's a little bit thick. Let's try it on my face. We're gonna try it first as like is this really an actual like tinted moisturizer, or is this like a primer? Is it a highlighter? I mean, it's glowy. Some people said it looked like Tin Man skin. I'll be the judge of that. Now, I don't have like big pores or anything. I do have dry skin, so we'll see how this kind of clings to certain areas of the skin. Let's go on the forehead. I think 110 was a good match for. I don't think it's giving Tin Man. I think it actually, it's more wearable than I think the Halo Glow. Let's put it on with a brush on this side and see, do we get the same effect? I don't know. So I'm gonna put more on that side. I'm just gonna spread that on the back of my hand. I'm gonna pick it up and start applying it with a brush. All right, the brush definitely puts on more product. Okay, it's looking Tin Man now. So if you're gonna put it on with a brush, it's gonna definitely pack on more product. Obviously this is a foundation brush, it's a little bit more dense, so it is putting the tint a lot heavier. When you have it on heavier, it gives a little Tin Man. So now I'm gonna just kind of go like this, and I'm gonna add just a teeny bit more. I think the best way to apply it, if you're gonna do it as a tint for every day, is to do it with your fingers. A brush, like I said, is definitely gonna overdo it. All right, we're in front of the window. This is the side that I put on with my fingers. In natural light, it definitely pulls a little bit more shimmery. And then this side is the side I did with a brush. So on its own, I don't think I would put it on its own, but like as like a kind of like a primer or something, or even if you want to put it on top of like foundation, I think it'll give it a nice glow. But on its own, I don't recommend it. I know you see that. I can see it. I don't have my glasses on and I can see it from the viewfinder that that's definitely shiny. So, and this is the swatch. It's very glowy. I want to say that I would probably use this if I'm gonna do it with my hands and I'm gonna do a light tint. I don't mind it on this side, and I think it gives a really pretty glow. Like on my forehead, it doesn't look bad. I would still put maybe concealer on top or like a light tint just to kind of calm it down so the glow peeks through. I would not put this on with a brush and like go ham. I think this is not like everyday pedestrian friendly. Maybe if you're gonna go out or something, but I would treat this almost like how L'Oreal's Lumi Glotion is. I would say it's kind of that, but I almost feel like the Lumi Glotion is a little bit more wearable on its own. This definitely has like silvery light shimmer to it, and it's not glittery, but it is shimmery. Like there's no big chunks, but there's definitely, like if I turn my face, you could see it. I know you can see it. Too much with the brush. This is a little bit more like nice, user-friendly kind of thing, but I would still put something on top of it, like a tint or maybe a little foundation, just to kind of balance it out. I wouldn't go outside like this. So I'm gonna take this off my face because this is too much. But I do like it. It feels nice. It does dry down and it does feel pretty hydrating. So pretty cool.